Namaskar, I am Kashvigar and you are watching School Tak News channel. In a big win for India against Pakistan concerning the dispute over the Indus Water Treaty, a neutral expert has upheld India's stand on crucial points, handing over Pakistan a big setback.
In a statement, the Ministry of External Affairs welcomed the decision. The MEA said that it has been India's consistent and principled position that neutral expert alone has the competence under the treaty to decide this difference.
India welcomes the decision given by neutral expert under paragraph 7 of Annexure F to Indus Waters Treaty 1960. The decision upholds and indicates India's stand that all 7 questions that were referred to the neutral expert in relation to Kishan Ganga and Tatley hydroelectric projects are differences falling within his competence under the treaty, said the MEA.
The MEA said that the neutral expert upheld his own competence, which comports with India's view. The neutral expert will now proceed to the next merits phase of his proceeding. This phase will culminate in a final decision on the merits of each of the 7 differences, said the MEA.
The MEA said that the India is committed to preserving the sanctity and integrity of the treaty and will continue to participate in the neutral expert process so that the differences are resolved in the manner consistent with the provisions of the treaty, which does not provide for a parallel proceeding on the same set of issues.
For this reason, India does not recognize or participate in the illegally constituted Court of Arbitration proceedings. The Government of India and Pakistan also remain in touch on the matter of modification and review of the Indus Water Treaty under Article 12 of the treaty, the MEA clarified.
Under the Indus Water Treaty, India managed the 3 eastern rivers, Ravi, Satluj and Vyas, while Pakistan covers the 3 eastern rivers, Jhelum, Chema and Indus.
India is required to permit the flow of water from western rivers into Pakistan, with certain limited expectations. However, Pakistan has been objecting to India's rights, challenging the treaty at multiple global forums. This is for the day. Keep watching School Tak News channel. Namaskar.